Hey everyone, set at Are You Cars. This is our 2014 BMW 330d F30 generation M Sport, finished in Alpine White with 80,000 miles. It's got 7 services, a nice spec, in very nice condition, with the xenon lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch 403 wheels, which have all recently been refurbished. It's got the M Sport Plus package with the blue calipers, shadowline trim, very clean. On the body. The reg number's there for any checks that you may wish to carry out. It really does look the part. Tyres are really good as well, as you can see there. To show you inside. Good size boot. No split fold rear seats, but no nasty smells or anything like that. Inside, it's got the black Dakota leather, which again is in all really nice condition, with the Isofix armrest and rear electric windows. And the same in the front. Front seats are heated. Three-spoke multifunction steering wheel. Electric windows, folding mirrors, Harman Kardon sound system. Auto lights and wipers. We'll just start the car for you. Well, that was nearly embarrassing. I've let the battery get a bit low. We've had the doors and the boot open today, drying it out. So we'll let some life get into the battery. But yeah, no warnings, nothing untoward. 80,084 miles. AM, FM, DAB radio in the centre, with your Bluetooth audio and your auxiliary as well. And of course your CD, DVD drive. Navigation, well, that's just still loading. There we go, that's us, just off Meadow Lane in Loughborough. There you go, look. Just see if there's any warnings, no faults. See if there's much of the history. So some of the history there as well for you to see, look. On the iDrive, but there is more in the office as well. But yeah, all there, got the big screen now, it's all important bit. Got the heated seats, just there, look, with the dual climate control. Cup holders in the centre. Obviously, you don't have to have this tray in if you don't want, but it's there. All your centre console, your switch gear, etc. All very nice. With the USB and your auxiliary input in the armrest. Handbooks are in the glove box. And that is about that. We're going to leave it running for a few minutes, get some charge into the battery. If you do need to know anything else, give us a call, 01509 267 111. Finance is available, and we work with a number of different lenders to try and find you the best deal that we can. Cheers for watching.